Dave from the Redneck Garage. Well, if you watched my last yard video, you saw what we did to get the yard ready for the seed and the straw and all that stuff. And let me tell you something, I am sore. I am sore trying to move this morning. The Gravely beat the heck out of me, and also the tilling, the digging, all that stuff. It played a toll this morning. So I'm having some coffee and moving a little bit slow. But I thought we'd take a look at where we got to last night, and we're going to test out these stupid sprinklers to see if I can get some water on this new seed so we can have some beautiful grass. Lush, golf course type lawn, which I don't really care about, but as long as I got grass, I'm okay. All right, here we go. The straw looks awesome. I got it really pretty level with the blade on the Gravely. And after it was tilled up, and the sprinklers are in the ground, and hopefully they'll work. So let's fire those up and see if we get any water coming out. All right, this is where I left this booger. I got to put the box back on top. Got my bleed out valve on the top. Water is on, so that's good. And I got my controller that's got to be mounted to the wall, and I got to get power to it. So just a few things, but hopefully it is operational. So let's try it. Oh, something's happening. Looking good. Alright, so now the adjustment begins. All in all, it's working pretty well. I got my pants soaked, so it would be nice if it was warmer weather and I could be out in shorts and then it wouldn't matter, but now I'm freezing. I'm going to go back in for a little bit, let my pants dry out, then I'm going to see if I can get that box mounted. But sprinkler systems are working great. Got a little fine tuning to do on it, but other than that, it's a winner. So I'm putting in the power in the front porch. I've been hammering on this brick for like 20 minutes. Decided to pull out an actual tool to do that.
Because I showed up and said, why aren't you using a power chisel?
That's going to be, your head's going to look like a cat in there. So, let's see if I can get it knocked out.
I already used my air chisel.
It's harder than you think. Yeah, I might have been hammering on that a while. Alright, so I got a hole, and hopefully this will fit. Almost.
Just hammer it in.
I'll clean out the edges, but this will go right there. That's good. Now I got to get the wire from the back side. Yeah, that'll be fun. Alright, I got the plug installed. That was fun. That was super duper. And I've got the box installed here. Got the conduit run down, and I got the box installed in the ground, so we're pretty much done with this portion of it. I may paint this a different color, who knows? Never know! So there we go, there's my zone on the right. There's my zone on the left. I got a couple little adjustments to make, but for the most part I got great coverage, so I'm really super happy with that. Alright, so that's about it for the sprinkler system and the straw and the tilling and all that stuff in the front yard. Now I got to do it in the back. Gonna have my Michelob Ultra and relax a little bit on the front porch and wait for the grass to poke its head through the golden straw. Whatever. I'm waiting for this grass to grow. I'm Dave from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.